producing destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. These storms are located along the line extending from Zion to Beach Park to 11 miles east of Beach Park and moving south at 40 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Gurney, Glenwood Park, and Waukee done around 8:30 p.m. Gages Lake, Third Lake, Grays Lake, and Park City around 8:35 p.m. Libertyville, Mundelein, Lake Forest, and Highland Park around 8:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Lake Bluff, Highwood, and Mettawa. Wind damage with these storms will occur without any rain. Do not wait for the sound of thunder or rain before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The following is a summary of watches, warning.